Good morning everyone. I've come on this morning just to show you a scrapbook page that I'm getting ready, and I've used the ephemera from Lesley's Crafts, so I'll leave the link down below. You should have seen my if you have watched my previous videos. And also Lesley's got a lot of videos up showing you what she's done with hers. So this is a scrapbook page, like I say. I've ordered 2 Halloween photographs, so I know I need 2 mats. I have embossed them just for a bit of extra texture. Then here is a cluster embellishment, so I've used the ephemera from it, the coffin from the kit, the coffin, the haunted house, 2 pumpkins and a skeleton. And I've put a cloud up there. And I've put a bat there, and I've used 2 of the RIP gravestones there. But these are not stuck down on the mat, so I can easily slip the photograph in. This is a cluster embellishment, so I've used some of the paper pack, I've used the lace and the ribbon that come in the pack, with a butterfly and a skeleton, a dress, pumpkin, and then one of the sayings that comes in the pack. And then this, I've done a bit of a cluster, and I've done a dress, pumpkin with a crow on. One of the titles that comes in the pack, I put a spell on you. And then I've used a boot and a rose. And then on this side, I have put a haunted house. And the ephemera packs I've mentioned throughout my other videos are absolutely fantastic. I've done absolutely loads of projects with them, like embellishments and cards, and there is a video showing quite a lot, and I've still got loads more to do. Right, I'm going to do a separate video now that'll come on after this of the extras that are in the kit, so I'll see you on another video. Thank you and goodbye.